Hello guys, Lamin here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited keys and coins on the game called Subway Surfers. So first, what you're going to need to do is, once you're on your iPhone, you're going to need to delete Subway Surfers. And I have deleted Subway Surfers. So you're going to need an internet connection. Yeah, administrative rights. Well, if you don't know what it means, whatever, it doesn't matter anyway. So what you're gonna have to do is go on your iPhone, open up Safari. So you don't have to go on Google, but if you want, go. But I go up here and then search tutuapp and then click go. My classmate has recommended this to me and it worked. Then you get tutuapp, click on it, the one at the top, the first one. So we'll bring you to tutuapp.vip. So for the VIP one, you're gonna have to pay. So if I were you, go to the regular. This will work on Android and iOS. So once you're on the thing, you see VIP, that one will be automatic and it tells you that you have to pay $99.99 or £9 whatever. But if I were you, go on regular, that's what I'm gonna go on. Regular is free, so then it'll say Apple and then download now. You don't need a jailbreak, you don't need an Apple ID either. So you just click download now. Then it should say tutuapp.com would like to install Tutu Helper regular version, bracket free bracket, and then yeah. So you click install, it'll bring you back to the home screen with a free page that has like space. So it'll say waiting, it downloads just like a regular app on the off the app store. So all you have to do is just wait. So there you go. It's installing quick. Call my internet connection, even though I only have 2 bars media. So give it a few minutes, depending on your phone speed and internet connection. Just to let you know that you don't need jailbreaker for this. No jailbreak, no Apple ID. So just give it a second. And I think if you delete this app after you've got the Subway Surfers, I think then it will go as well, but I'm not sure. Even though if you're jailbroken, this will still work. You see I got Cydia, and it's still gonna work though, so it's installing. It even says on the website, if you go back on Safari, it tells you, see that? It says no need to jailbreak. And with this app, you can also download free apps for free, like for example Minecraft. I don't know why this is taking ages. Yeah, we're getting this almost done. Then, after it's finished, it will say, are you sure you want to open this app? And then you click yes, and then hold on, and then it might, but I tried this before, so it might not work. So yeah, there you go, you click on it. Free apps and games compatible with iOS 10, but it works on iOS 7, and at the bottom it told you you don't need jailbreak. So it says the best iOS helper ever, free of Apple ID and jailbreak. So what that means is you don't need an Apple ID and you don't need jailbreak. Games and apps for free, awesome in selected apps and money saving. And exclusive high-speed download, so fast and convenient when downloading apps. So let's start. There you go. So now there are hacks as well. So you know the top, you click on where it says search, it'll bring you here, and you click search, and then search Subway. Whoops, I forgot to do a space in the middle. So hold on, it will load. Then you see two. There's one that says Subway Surfers, which is normal, and Subway Surfers dash infinite coins. Then click on the get and it will say 0%. And it will download just like the App Store. So just give it a few minutes. Shouldn't take long. Then after we'll say tutuapp helper would like to install Subway Surfers. It might or might not. And if you are on Safari, you might need to have a profile installed. So this worked, and then I text my friend and like, yo, this works. So as you can see, it's not on the home screen, but you're gonna have to wait. It does download in the background as well, and it tells you when if you're on a Wi-Fi network or not. So while that's downloading, you can get other games. Like there's a Pokemon Go, a hack, and then all these other stuff. But I'm not interested because I'm really interested in the Subway Surfer one. That one's in the middle of downloading. Then you can get updates. Wow. So I have Minecraft Population from AppCake, and here Geometry Dashboard. So this will take a long time. And I'll get back to you guys once it's finished. So guys, it's just finished. So you have to go. So then, basically, it comes up with tutuapp.com would like to install Subway Surfers infinite coins. So obviously you're gonna have to install. You have to click install, bring you back home, and installs just like how tutu helper did. So just give it a second. And according to the website, it says this only works on iOS 7 and or later. But if you have lower than iOS 7, then bad luck. So wait for it to install. I tried it and I got out most of the characters. So it does take long, so you have to be patient. So guys, it's back, it's done, so all you have to do is click it. They will say, are you sure you would like to open Subway Surfers? Click yes. Once you've clicked yes and all that, next time you go on the apps, both apps, it will not ask you. Basically, it's just like the real Subway Surfers. It's just the same. If you compare it to, you get another phone that doesn't have the app, but it has the original Subway Surfer that come with on the app store. Just compare them, they're both the same, but the only difference is the way you've gone into coins. So Then there are tips that also come just like the video. My iPhone 4 is very slow, so please bear with this video. I'll come back to you guys once it's finished loading. So guys, it's almost finished. So hold on, it's just done. And for me, it tells me update the app, and I ain't gonna update. Or really. Then these dumb adverts comes. So I'm just gonna avoid the update for now. I don't know if you should update, but probably don't. So basically, yeah, it's just like the normal one. Just click on the me one. And then you see up there, you have got unlimited coins and unlimited keys. So for example, let's go to this car. So you got 4,000. You have to pay 4,000. So I unlocked him, and I still got the same amount of coins. So guys, works just like the real Subway Surfers. So guys, thanks for watching, and that's how basically you get Subway Surfers unlimited coin. And I would like to say big thanks to Liam. He's the one who like helped me with this. Yeah, please like to show me peace.